Teaching grammar. Skill Builders is the Ziptails area devoted to teaching major literacy skills. It can be found by going to the Extending Literacy Library. Skill Builders offers explicit teaching on how to understand and use grammar, punctuation, spelling, and the major comprehension types. Grammar covers all the major parts of speech. In the lesson on nouns, children are introduced to the concept that nouns are the names of things. They are shown familiar examples of common nouns: boy, girl, bike, guitar. The distinction is then made between common nouns and proper nouns. Examples are given. The rule about using a capital letter is clearly enunciated. Then the lesson moves on to the complication of having to show plurals, not just the standard rule of adding an S, but the strange variations that need to be mastered. Pronouns picks up from the lesson on nouns and explains why they are needed. Then children are introduced to the difference between subject and object pronouns. The lesson ends with common pronoun problems. The lesson on verbs begins by modelling a verb. Billy, the character in the series, walks, runs, jumps. This is shown with an animation. The lesson then goes on to explain the difference between finite verbs, infinitives, auxiliaries, and participles. Children are introduced to the idea of tense and why that is important. The lesson on adjectives begins by explaining how they describe something about a noun. The example used is adjectives to describe the series character Mary Jane. This is then extrapolated to adjectives describing other non-human subjects. From common adjectives, the lesson moves on to more abstract types of adjectives. The lesson ends with a focused discussion of how we compare adjectives. The grammar section of Skill Builders also includes detailed lessons on adverbs, prepositions, and sentences. Don't forget that Ziptails also offers a wide range of material on specific skills under its specialised English lessons Australian curriculum suite.